What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, guys. And is Nvidia about to flush down to $825 tomorrow? Are we gonna come over here at $825 where I put this line? We'll talk about all of that in this video, the possibility of that happening, and what are the price action, key levels, what are they telling us, and all of that. We'll do all that analysis in this video. With that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm just sharing my educational opinion, that's all. All right, let's start off. So today, what is Nvidia doing? So starting off with daily interval, and I'm just keeping this box here, guys, because this is a distribution phase, okay? It will mark the completion of this distribution phase, this blue box, if once we lose it. That's why I have it here. But you can see there is clearly these levels sitting over here marked by my indicator. And also, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. All right. So today, well, Nvidia is still underneath of 20 days moving average. It has constantly been rejecting this from last 4 days. And most importantly, this $891 level that we have been talking about, and we'll go to the hourly interval in just a second to talk about more of it, we are still below that and we reject it. So I talked about, hey, this flush, another flush has come, and there's a potential of rebounds. We got those rebounds. But just like we have pullbacks in an uptrend, that's how we have rebounds in the downtrend. So has that rebound completed its part, and is it heading lower? Keep heading gonna lower, and tomorrow are we going to $825? Let's talk about that. So let's go to the hourly interval. You are seeing one channel here. If you have seen my morning video, that's great. If you haven't, let me put this again for you. I'll talk about that in just a second, where that came from. So let's talk about this $891. So I have been saying this. This is the place. A rebound can come until here, but that will not change the structure of Nvidia to the upside. Nvidia is still bearish play. We are still making, since the break of that $947, we are still making lower highs and lower lows, okay? And this was the potential rebound to the next, the significant level, 891. And there is no break of structure right now on the upside. We are not bullish. We have again rejected 891. Anything above, if we could have reclaimed 891 and went above, then yes, bulls may have had a chance. The structure would have started to become bullish again. But Nvidia has rejected there. It's still in the bears camp, and bears are still controlling Nvidia. So now, there was this pivot we were talking about this morning. Is this a higher low building on Nvidia, and can it hold on to it? So let's talk about that trend line, or the channel that came, where it came from. So it's a very parallel channel to the previous trend line over here, right? And to the, this one was penny to penny in the morning, really, like, you know, yeah, sorry guys, I'm just taking my time here to adjust this. Okay, so if bulls could have held this pivot here today and brought it up again of at least 877 above, if we would have closed above 877 today, there was still a chance left for bulls to try to take back control in coming days to bring it above 891. But right now things are looking much more dire again for bulls, even on intraday. We are out of that channel now, and in the post market, and that pivot is very weak. We are almost about to lose it. Once we lose, well, we have gotten out of the channel, but I would say let's also wait for the break of 869 and 81 cents below. If tomorrow, which Nvidia looks like very likely, it's going to lose this level, as well as if we continue to go lower than 869 and 81 cents, down to the level of, well, 862, but I don't think Nvidia would just rest over here tomorrow. Tomorrow, Nvidia has a chance, because it's looking in the downtrend, that pivot is looking weak. It has a it has a chance to come down to $850. Now, Nvidia's average range has been $30 here lately. You can see it on my dashboard here. So $30 would be how much from where it is right now? So let's take an example from this area of 869. $30 will bring us somewhere 839. So we have much more likelihood to go in the direction of 825. And if we close tomorrow inside this blue box, the down here, oh, this is like by the end of this week, then I guys, like there is much more downside. I don't want to talk about the downside yet because we still have to go through this box and we have to see the strength of price action in this box down here. But yes, Nvidia is looking very weak right now. Okay, we are still in the downtrend, losing even intraday pivots and losing 869 tomorrow or 870, put it simply, is going to be troublesome. And 850 is in the picture then, and below 850, 834 and so, and then eventually 825. So guys, you know, it's right now I'm not seeing a structure of bullishness. Can Nvidia become bullish here? It has to change some structure for that first if Nvidia wants to become bullish. And right now there's just such an uphill battle, right? We have this 200 hours moving average to the upside, but I don't think tomorrow Nvidia will become bullish. But what I am saying, but if anything in the direction of bullishness, if that needs to start happening, then Nvidia definitely needs to get back into this channel and above 877 tomorrow and close above 877, if not 891, right? So that will start to give some strength back again to bulls, but right now that's looking a little bit problematic. Not in that direction right now. Nvidia has much more chances, in my opinion, just my opinion, to go much lower now. And guys, you know, 50 days moving average, it's very likely, you know, 825 might be the overlapping zone that both things might meet here, the price and the 50 days moving average and this level. So three things, 825, right? And we'll see, like if we lose 825 this week, oh, buckle up. I mean, that's the 662 is then on Nvidia is possibility, but is that happening right now? No, there are areas where we have to still go through to even open up the doors. Right now, I can say until 825 moves, and then after that there is next area of then, you know, ladder steps, right? So on the daily interval, these are your ladder steps. Okay, so, and this is the, again, marking of the distribution phase in my opinion. So yes, guys, Nvidia to me looks weak. Let's go to the 5 minutes as well. All right, guys, so also on 5 minutes interval, Nvidia is looking weak today. You know, it tried to bounce back up, rejected again at that our trend direction line, kept going lower and lower, and pretty much closing at the bottom of the day almost, right? So it's really weak. Like, only thing can save Nvidia tomorrow would be if it gaps up in the pre-market, and if it gaps down, that's another big problem. So only a big buyer or a big whale can save Nvidia right now if they are still believing in this thing, that it's going to go to $1,200, $1,400. Only a big whale at this point can save Nvidia, or big whales can continue to bring it much lower as well. Okay, yes. So that's the thing, guys. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. Check out my Tesla video I did, QQQ SPY. I talked a little bit about that as well in that video. They're in the distribution phase. I'm not going to spend too much time talking about QQQ and SPY here. It's just a distribution phase right now still. SMC, I talked about it. I booked my full profits on this already in my another position here as well. So check that out today. I did that. But anyways, this is for Nvidia. Other videos will be coming out as well throughout the day. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.